Welcome, my dear friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, my man. We got a beautiful episode for you today. If you're feeling overwhelmed, stressed, anxious, worried, depressed, or perhaps even loving, whatsoever you feel is okay. Some deep breaths and see if we can release anger, frustrations, worries, doubts, uncertainties from the mind that just distract us from the present. That being said, get into a comfortable posture, position where you can be upright, aware of your space. Gently closing the eyes, tuning into the sounds, sensation of touch. Feeling the ground beneath you or the chair. Letting go of any planning. Letting go of past, just coming right into this moment. Taking a deep breath in and exhale. Dropping the shoulders away from your ears, relaxing the belly. Relaxing the face, taking a deep breath in, and a deep breath out. Breathing in new life, new energy. And exhale, releasing, letting go. Inhaling through the nose and exhale with the sigh. Bringing the attention inwards, letting go of thoughts as you just observe your body from the inside out. Taking a deep breath in. Breathing in love and light, and exhaling darkness, pain, letting it go. Breathing in gratitude to be alive. Exhaling any insecurities, worries, knowing that you're in good care. Life takes care of itself. Existence takes care. And we're all part of this existence. more than just existing today, though. Coming into some love, into some profound trust in the unfolding of life. Breathing in. Holding the breath at the top. Exhale, letting go, releasing. If your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Allowing your mind to be totally free as you look inwards, observing very gently, very lovingly. Bringing a smile to the face. Relaxing your belly. Opening the heart, opening like a flower in the sun. Feeling your heart fragrant, open, feeling your heart beautiful and full of love. Exhaling all the air in your lungs, just be empty of breath. And take a deep breath in through the nose. Hold. And exhale with a big sigh. Letting go of thoughts, coming back into the present moment, listening carefully to the sound and the space in between the sounds. Taking a deep breath in, holding the breath at the top, and exhale, releasing any negativity, any stress that you feel is inside, feeling it leave the mind, leave the body. Dropping the shoulders, relaxing your face, the forehead, the lips, the jaw. Feeling your feet relax, your hands relaxed. Taking a deep breath in and exhale. Coming back into your body. Letting go of future, letting go of past. Being in that space right between the future and the past. Letting go of anger, shame, guilt, resentment. Wishing love and happiness for somebody that you know. Maybe even somebody that you struggle with. Wishing for them to be genuinely happy, seeing how that feels. Becoming aware of your posture, aware of your space, any smells, the sensation of touch. So you take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Know that you're alive. You've lived to see another day. It won't always be that way. Cherishing today as if it's your first and last day that you ever lived. And thus be filled with wonder and gratitude. Grateful to have new opportunities to create, to love, to heal, to forgive, to laugh, to cry, to feel anxious, to feel overwhelmed, and to go beyond all of this. The color for today is magenta. To be honest, I don't even know what that color looks like. The number for today is 94, and the animal is a walrus. Feeling your heart open, your mind vast, ready to take on the day or the evening whenever you're watching this. Just know that I appreciate you, appreciate your presence across time and space, sending you a big hug, wishing you an abundance of love and light, healing and feeling the blessings that's already here in your life. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.